comes Logan. She's gonna walk across the obstacles using her best balance. Hang on to the ropes. You can do it. Geesh, kid, do the other side. Is that wrong? Is that one hard? Whoa! Let's see if she can do this part. How are those shoes? That looks hard. I hope you don't fall. Alright, I'll catch you later on the zip line part.